Multiply 5 times 4 and a fourth. When multiplying a whole number to a mixed number, I like to view them both as regular fractions or improper fractions. So I'm going to turn that 5 into 5 over 1. You could turn any whole number into a fraction by putting it over 1. That's what I did here. Now I want to turn 4 and 1/4 into an improper fraction. How do I do that? Multiply the 4 out front to the denominator, which is also 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Take that product and add it to the numerator. So 16 plus 1 is 17, and that 17 becomes your new numerator. 4 stays your denominator. Now I have 5 over 1 times 17 over 4. When multiplying two fractions together, multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So the first thing I'm going to do is do 5 times 17. I don't know what 5 times 17 is off the top of my head. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go off to the side and multiply 17 and 5 together the old-fashioned way. So 5 times 7 is 35. Write out your 5. Carry over 3. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So you become 85. Now 1 times 4, your denominators are going to be 4. That part's friendly. Now this is an improper fraction. I want to turn it into a mixed number. So the way we turn an improper fraction into a mixed number is we do long division and see how many times 4 goes into 85. Well, 4 goes into 8 exactly 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract. 8 minus 8 is 0. Bring down your 5. How many times does 4 go into 5? 1 time. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract again. 5 minus 4 is 1. And with no more numbers to drop down, that 1 becomes your remainder. So how do I turn all of this into a mixed number? That 21 that I get here is going to be the whole number that lives out in front. So write out 21. Your numerator is going to be taken from the remainder of 1. So I have 1 as my numerator, and my old denominator of 4 is going to stay my denominator. So when all is said and done, my answer is 21 and 1/4.